Did you know there's a super simple way of exporting nested DXFs from IGEMS? Let me show you. So what we have here is our CAD environment. I'm just gonna draw a simple shape from our parametric shape library. Just use single, place it here. What we want to do first is group this so it sticks together when we're nesting. I can select it like this, hit G on my keyboard. That's short for group, which you find here. That will make this one entity. Let's head over to nest, click rectangle, just draw a sheet, then head over to AutoNest. Now we have our new function down here, G, all entity types. Select it. I can select things that are not parts, hit enter, select the sheet, hit enter, just make 10 of these, nest. That looks good, stop, okay, and I can save, export these parts to a DXF. So what can you do with this nested DXF? Well, you can use it in combination with other softwares, so you can just import this nested DXF and you can apply toolpaths if you have, let's say, a laser machine or maybe even a flow machine. This would be a very good application to improve those legacy softwares, but also all the machines. So yeah, the AutoNest function where you can use just regular CAD vectors, it's a great addition to our CAD CAM. Catch you in the next one.